The WeBeqer Dash Cam delivers sharp front QHD and rear full high-definition footage, giving clear evidence of what happens around your car day and night. Its wide viewing angles on both lenses do a solid job of covering adjacent lanes and reducing blind spots, which is reassuring in busy traffic. Built-in wireless connectivity and a companion application make it easy to adjust settings, review clips, and share trips without constantly removing the memory card. Loop recording and the included high-capacity memory card mean it is essentially ready to use out of the box and can keep capturing without you micromanaging storage. The gravity sensor and parking surveillance features add real peace of mind by automatically saving impact clips whether you are driving or parked. A compact design with a clear 3-inch screen, modern Type-C power connection, and pass-through charger port make daily use and installation straightforward and user-friendly.